Good morning, Kipsters. This is Miss Slutwack with a first grade math video. All right, I've got my whiteboard, I've got my marker, I've got my coffee with some math problems written out on it, so I'm all ready. Here's what you need to grab so that you're ready to do some math too. You need a pencil and a piece of paper or something else to write on and write with. So that could be a pen, a crayon, a whiteboard, I don't really care. Something for you to write on and with. So go ahead, pause the video, come back when you're ready. Okay, Kipsters, welcome back to our math video. Today we're gonna work on some addition strategies. And we're gonna start with this problem right here. So we're gonna read it together, then watch me as I mark up the problem. You're gonna do this along with me, but you don't have to write out the problem. I saw 27 animals at the park. Ooh, that's a number. It's probably pretty important. I'm gonna circle it. 27. I saw 27 animals at the park. 12 were squirrels, and the rest were dogs. So the rest, I don't know what that means. I'm gonna underline it, put a question mark. I don't know that number. That's my mystery number. How many dogs did I see? Put that one in parentheses. That's the question I'm trying to answer. Okay, now that I've marked it up, let me read it one more time. You can go ahead and read this along with me. I saw 27 animals at the park. 12 were squirrels, and the rest were dogs. How many dogs did I see? Okay, Kipsters, to solve this, we're going to use our tape diagram. So remember, when we use a tape diagram, we've got a part, another part, and then the total down here. So what I want you to figure out right now, do we have two parts or do we have a part and a total? Think about the numbers we know. I saw 27 animals at the park. 12 were squirrels and the rest were dogs. Do we know both parts or do we know a part and a total? Two parts or a part and a total. Go ahead, call it out in 3, 2, 1. Those of you who said a part and a total, you're absolutely correct, right? I saw 27 animals at the park. That was the total number of animals that I saw. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 27 right down here in my total box, because that's the total that I know that I need to get to. 12 were squirrels. 12 were squirrels. Okay, I'm gonna put a 12 up here, and then I'm actually gonna draw those 12 out in my 5 group rows. Ready? Go ahead and draw this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, the rest were dogs. The rest is my mystery number. That's the part that I don't know. I'm gonna put a question mark over here. That's what I need to solve. So, Kipsters, I've got 12 in this part. I know I need to get up to 27 as my total. I need to figure out this missing part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count on by drawing out my circles in this mystery box of my tape diagram. So I've got 12 here, count with me to get to 27. So 12, now I'm in my second part, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Go ahead, count up all of these circles in this mystery part. Go ahead and pause the video, count them up, hit play when you're ready to call out your answer. Okay, Kipsters, have your answer? Ready? Call it out. 15. That's my answer. That's how many dogs I saw. Nice job, Kipsters. Okay, so did you see how we took the numbers from the problem, placed them into our tape diagram so that we had a part and our total, and then we counted on to find our missing part here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and change the numbers around in this problem, and then you're gonna do it all by yourself. Ooh, okay. So the tape diagram is gonna stay the same, but you're gonna do it with some different numbers. Let me read this out to you. Go ahead and take notes about what's your total and what's your part and start filling in that tape diagram while I'm reading. I'll read it 2 times. I saw 23 animals at the park. I saw 23 animals at the park. 9 were squirrels and the rest were dogs. How many dogs did I see? Let me read it one more time. I saw 23 animals at the park. 9 were squirrels and the rest were dogs. How many dogs did I see? Your first step, think about your parts and your total. Your parts and your total. All right, you're gonna go ahead, pause the video here, solve the problem on your own, come back when you're ready to check your work. I'm gonna do it too. So go ahead, pause the video. Okay, Kipsters, if you're back, that means you're ready to check your answers. Does your tape diagram look something like this? If so, kiss your brain. If not, no big deal, let's check it. So 23 was my total, so I put that in my big box down here. 9 was my part, so I drew out 9 circles. Then I counted on over here until I got to 23. I had 14 circles in this box, because 14 was my answer. That was my missing part. I saw 14 dogs. If I saw 9 squirrels and I saw 23 animals altogether, that means I saw 14 dogs. My number sentence for this problem would be 9 plus 14 equals 23. All right, Kipsters. We're gonna do some drills with counting on, or some practice with counting on. I shouldn't call them drills. So we know one strategy, which is our tape diagram. I want to bring us back to another counting on strategy, which is where we put that first number in our brain and we count on our fingers until we get to the total. I'm going to show you that with this problem right here. 15 plus blank equals 24. So I'm starting at 15 and I need to get up to 24. So watch me. 15 goes in my brain. I do not start on my fingers with 15. 15 goes in my brain. Now I keep counting until I get to 24. So watch me keep counting until I get to 24. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. What's my answer, Kipsters? Exactly, 9. So that's one way to solve this problem. Count on in our brain and in our fingers, or I could have done a tape diagram, right? I could have drawn this all out with 24 as my total, 15 as one part, and then drawn enough circles to get to 24, right? So drawing the tape diagram is just counting on using circles, right? It's taking those counting on skills that we already have by putting the number in our brain and keep going on our fingers and just putting that onto paper. So I'm going to give you a few problems and you're going to try it out on your own using either of those two strategies. Remember, we're putting tools in our tool belt. So now you have the option. I'm giving you 2 tools, a tape diagram, counting on with our fingers. Choose what tool you want. You could use one for all 3 of these next problems, or you could mix it up, or try both of them for each problem to double check your work. All of those are great options because you guys are first graders and you're at the point where you get to make those decisions for yourself. All right, so get ready. You're gonna do all 3 of these problems on your own using whichever strategy, whichever tool you would like. All right, go ahead and copy these down. 13 plus blank equals 25. 8 plus blank equals 17. 19 plus blank equals 32. Then go ahead and pause this video. I would pause it right here so that you've got all the problems up for you. And then hit play when you're ready to check your answers. Ready? Pause. All right, Kipsters. If you're back now, that means you're ready to check your answers. You've written it all out. Let me finish writing my answers. All right, Kipsters. Go ahead and call out, what did you get for 13 plus what equals 25? Call it out. Oh my gosh, that's right. If you got 12, you are correct. Go ahead and call out 8 plus what equals 17? Call it out. Nice job, Kipsters. If you said 9, that's absolutely right. And last one, 19 plus what equals 32? Go ahead and call it out. Nice job, Kipsters. If you said 13, kiss your brains. All right. We could have used that counting on strategy, putting the 13 in our brain and then counting on our fingers, or we could have drawn a tape diagram just like this and solved it using that strategy too. I can't wait to hear what strategy you guys chose. Nice job, my wonderful mathematicians. Awesome work. Thank you for growing your brain with me today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.